Hello my beautiful friends, and today I am back just giving you guys an update on what's going on and regarding my low buy no buy slash project pan. I just want to catch up on everything because I've been MIA for a very long time. So let's just get right into it. I'm gonna go ahead and tell you about my project pan update first. So let me just get my drawer out and I'll show you what I'm working on right now for my project pan. So currently I've enrolled back in this transparent powder by Rimmel Stay Matte. So I'm using this again just to set the under eyes and the eyelids, forehead and my nose, like other oily areas, because we're in the summertime and I do tend to get oily around my T-zone. So I am wearing that right now. However, I'm not liking the way it looks. On the camera it looks really nice, but in person it looks very cakey. So I don't know if I'm going to continue using it, but I am trying to use it up. The other item I'm working on currently that I've been using on and off is this Chanel Tan de Soleil bronzer, and this is the bronzer. I've hit pan in it, and my goal is to finish this one up. The powder as well, I just want to finish that up as well. I don't think I'm gonna purchase it again because the other bronzer that I'm using for going out, the Armani Luminous Silk, is a lot better. It looks much better actually. And then the other item I'm using for my project pan is this coconut skin smoothing primerizers. I have 3 of those. Those are basically for my dry days, and I can use it in the summertime when I just have this and SPF. I don't need any other primer after that, or moisturizer. Excuse my kids, they're just a little hyper today. The other thing I actually hit pan on was my Park Avenue Princess bronzer, and I actually took it out. I hit pan on it. So I actually took it out. I didn't want to use it anymore. I know I'm supposed to be finishing things up, but you know what? I want to use everything that I have. I don't want to just work on one thing and be bored out of it. And yeah, so I've taken this out. And what I've rolled in instead of this, let's move everything back. So what I've enrolled in is this MAC Give Me Sun mineralized skin finish, and I've been using it quite a bit. So the dome is going down, and I'm gonna continue using this. I've been using this on my crease as my bronzer, and sometimes I use this and Chanel, and sometimes I just use this. So that's the bronzer I'm using. And then the other thing I enrolled in is this blush, but I don't know if I'm gonna hit pan on it or if I'm gonna actually try to work on this. Is this Luminoso, and this is the original formula, not the one that they redid. So I'm using this right now for the summer. And the other item I've enrolled in the summertime back is this compact by MAC. It's the Padma Lakshmi collection, the Desert Dusk palette. So I've been using this as an eyeshadow and just to like darken up the crease, or use this actually as a eyeliner. That's what I have on my eyes right now as an eyeliner, and I have this to highlight my brow bone. So I'm just using these 2 shades. So hopefully I can hit some pan on it. The other thing I enrolled into my project, which I don't think I will ever finish or hit pan on, is this Kristen Leanne palette, the highlighting palette, and I've been using these 2 shades as my highlighter, and that's what I have on right now, if you're wondering. And I have it on my eyes as well. Okay, so the other thing that I have on my eyes is this Vasanti gold pigment. And I'm trying to use this as well because it's summertime. You don't want to do too much on your eyes. All I have is just the bronzer in the crease, the pigment, and I just darkened up the lash line. And then other items that I'm working on. I'm working on this brow gel by L'Oreal. I have L'Oreal, no, this is not L'Oreal, Lancome Monsieur Big, the sample size. I have this concealer that I enrolled in, the Natural LA Pro Concealer that I'm using. I'm using this Lorac eyeliner. I'm still working on this little thing right here. And let me tell you what else I'm working on. I'm also working on this honeycomb lipstick by Bite Beauty, which looks like this. This is what I have on my lips right now with that lip liner. And on top of that, I have this lip gloss by Anastasia in the shade Bronzed Lip Gloss. I want to finish this up actually this summer. Let's see if I can get through this whole tube by July. So I have 2 months to use this. I might be able to. Trying to see how much I have so I can push the product down. That way I know. So this much, starting off with.
Mama. Mama.
So I have like about 1/4 finished, and then the rest of the bottle to go through. The other thing I've enrolled in this summer is this foundation. Maybelline Fit Me in the shade 220 Natural Beige. This one, I know I can check how much. I think it's half a bottle that I have in here. I just want to use it up. I want to finish it. I want to get rid of it. The other thing I've been working on forever is this MAC Face and Body. But I haven't been using it lately, so I just have it on the side. The new foundation I've enrolled in this summer is this Naked Skin in the shade 4.0. This is very similar to MAC Face and Body, but it's better in the summer. MAC Face and Body is good in the winter time. So that's what it is. I do have my Paint Pot Soft Ochre in here. I want to use this up before it dries out, but I haven't been using it lately. I've been just using that like Girl Pro. When I pop that under eyes, I just prime my eyelids with that. Okay, so that's pretty much everything that I've enrolled in. The other blusher I actually added, this is this Ondays Micronized Silky Blush by Vasanti. And this is brand new. I don't know how much I'll use it. But if I'm not going out, all I can do is just use the bronzer and this blusher.
Mom!
And I'm good.
Mom!
Yes, Beans.
I'm gonna use my iPad.
Okay.
And I can't press anything because this thing is on my thing like it.
Okay, so that's everything that I have right now in my project pan. Hopefully I can get some progress into it and try to switch things in between if I get bored. I don't want to quit. I just want to stop using one thing and roll something and then go back to it so that way I can finish it. Okay, so the next thing we're going to move on is a Colourpop haul, and it's my first ever Colourpop order that I placed, and I got 5 palettes. I got the 9-pan palettes. I got the Blue Moon, It's My Pleasure, basically this stack. Just My Luck, Ooh La La, and Main Squeeze. So these are the palettes. Let's begin with the first one called Blue Moon, which looks like this. You've seen it all. I was very intrigued by this. I think this was the palette that made me get the rest of them. And these are the colors. I can't wait to play with them. They look absolutely stunning. I cannot give you a review on it until I've used it and experienced it for an entire day to see. Then It's My Pleasure is the second palette, which looks like this. To be honest, just looking at them, I'm very pleased. I haven't swatched them, I haven't done anything with it, but this is just a haul, not a review or first impressions. So Just My Luck is another one. Looks like this. I'm loving the color stories and the colors. I didn't want to spend too much money on the palettes, so this costed me roughly $15 Canadian with the shipping and taxes and duties. And this is Main Squeeze. And then we have Ooh La La, which is the pink. So these are the palettes. I can't wait to use them. I know I will be using a lot of them this summer. I usually do colorful looks all year round, but depends. Okay, so that sums up my haul. And don't forget to leave me in the comment section down below if you've tried the Colourpop eyeshadows and how you like them. I've been watching a lot of Project Pan series, trying to see what other ways I can use up the products that I have, because I do want to curate my collection, and I've been decluttering as well, but I want to use up the stuff that I have rather than declutter. So stay tuned for more videos like this. Lots of love. Bye.